Hi, welcome to the Rescue Pod Designs channel. Today we're going to learn how to do the special half double crochet in the Emily Beanie. I will have the link down below, the hook I used, and the yarn I used for this tutorial. So let's get started. And to begin, I'm going to start near the end of my hat just to show you the special half double crochet. You need to yarn over and insert your hook into the back loop of the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook into the front loop of the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all the hoops on the hook. In the next stitch, you single crochet, and then single crochet again into the next stitch, and then we will do the special half double crochet again. Yarn over. This will be slower for you. Yarn over, and then you put your hook into the back loop of the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook into the front loop of that same stitch, yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook, and that's a special half double crochet. I'm going to show you the special half double crochet one more time. Feel free to pause and rewind this part if you'd like a little more help with this. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please hit the subscribe button below so you never miss out on a free pattern or tutorial. And don't forget to find me on social media. Happy crocheting!